How to withdraw your Hamster Combat money now. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're going to talk about Hamster Combat and more specifically, how to withdraw your Hamster Combat tokens. I know this is one of the most popular and most asked questions, so that's why today I'm going to answer it. I'll show you different ways to withdraw your money, and of course, what not to do because there are lots of scammers out there and you can actually lose your account and the tokens you've already earned. So, let's get started. Before we dive into how to withdraw, let's talk about what not to do. Right now, we have an insane amount of scammers out there. For example, you might see people on social media like X, Telegram, and Facebook showing images saying, "Oh, I know how to withdraw the money, just DM me." And usually, no, actually 100% of the time, these people are scammers. There are also scam websites that look like the official Hamster Combat site. They have a button that says, "Claim now," but once you click that button, they'll ask you to connect your wallet. That's when all your funds from your wallet are gone. They're stealing your money. So please be safe. Never just click random buttons and never DM random people. Even if you think it's me asking you to DM me for something, don't do it because there are so many fake accounts. Always double-check the usernames, always double-check the links, because right now, we have a crazy amount of scammers, and all of them are waiting to scam you and steal your money. This is really important, guys. And also, don't forget to join my free Telegram group because I'll be talking more about these scams and also different ways you can actually make money with Hamster Combat and other competitors in this space-to-earn industry. Now, let's talk about the main topic, how to actually cash out your money. The simple answer is, of course, through exchanges. Right now, we don't have the actual token or token price, but a lot of crypto exchanges have started talking about it, and they have pre-market sales. But again, guys, please don't buy these tokens in the pre-market because you will lose money. I guarantee you that. With all of this pre-market excitement and hype, we can see which exchanges are planning to list Hamster Combat tokens on day one. This is really important because you want to sell these tokens as fast as possible before everyone else does, because this way, you're getting more money. We can see right now that we have BingX, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bybit, and BitGet. If you want to sell as fast as possible, you need to have accounts on all of these exchanges. I'll have the links in the description below. If you use my link, you'll get bonuses like $20 to $30 deposit bonuses. So make sure to use my links if you want to get those extra bonuses. You also need to pass KYC on all of these platforms because otherwise, these platforms won't let you sell the tokens. If you do this right now before the listing, you have the opportunity to be one of the first to sell these tokens once they're listed. This is really important, guys, and I think this is the best option. Now let's talk about the second option for selling your tokens before the actual listing: selling your account. This is a bit harder, but basically, you'd be selling your phone number and full account, including all your contacts, to another person. I see this happening more and more. It's a bit harder to calculate the points, but if you have a good account, you might have a chance to actually sell it to someone else. For example, if you have an account with lots of invited friends, these accounts are really attractive to a lot of people, and you can actually make money by selling your account. Right now, the market is really hungry for these accounts with invited friends, so you can actually make money before the token listing. So, in my opinion, the best opportunity right now. And that's it for today's video. If there are any updates, I'll make sure to drop a new video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.